ECS from the carriage sidings in Oxford. It's coming from the 1507 to Didcot Parkway.
Arriving now is 165136 on an ECS to Oxford from Oxford carriage sidings. This service will be forming the 1507 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway.
165.
This is Oxford.
Sorry, if you hear Kean now. Kean's trying out commentary at the same time, so he apologises to put the heat and stuff. Kean's trying out, so if you hear Kean trying to put
Arriving now is the 1512 cross-country service to York from Reading. This service usually is from... I don't know, I can't remember. It is formed of 220-003. So we'll see that one as it departs.
It's saying FTW. Someone's hacked its IP. Welcome to Oxford, train information is currently not available.
You stupid departure board! Why is it going platform 1, platform 2, platform 3? Whatever that is. And then that's platform 4. So it goes 4, 1, 2, 3. That makes no sense.
That's platform 1 over there. That's 1 over there. This used to be platform.
Arriving now is 168106 on a terminating Chiltern Railway service from London Marylebone. Also departing is 168113 on a Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone via Bicester Village. Now it's a 1512 cross-country service to York from Reading with 220-003. And also arriving here is the 1512 cross-country service to Bournemouth, formed of 220-017. Film that one leaving shortly. Departing now is 220-017 on the 1512 cross-country service to Bournemouth. now is 165 130 on an ECS to Oxford carriage slowly. Arriving now is the 1523 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern, formed of 800 306. It was finished train earlier today on its way to London Paddington. It is now on the return service to Great Malvern. Departing now is 800 306 on the 1523 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern via the Cotswold line. I would read all of that writing on the side, but it'd take me a couple of years. So for now, we're just referring to this train as 800 306 Harold Day, and then the nameplate on the rear, which is Alan Leonard Lewis. And now you have Kieran naming a long list of calling points, which I would never remember in a million years. Arriving now is Great Western Railway's 1531 departure to London Paddington from Moreton in Marsh, formed of 165 130. So that service is now calling at...
That's my mistake. That's actually 1538 to Didcot Parkway. And it's actually coming into the bay platform.
Thank you, Kieran. Right, now arriving in is
even Didcot Parkway.
165 130 on the 1538.
It's not. It's just terminating the bay platform doing nothing. No, I'm doing nothing.
Stop telling me the wrong calling points! Now arriving in is 165 130 for no reason at all, apparently, according to Kieran. He's told us two different destinations and two different places, both of which are wrong. So thank you very much, Kieran. That's your fault. This is an ECS.
Well done.
Kieran, that's all your fault. Thank you for ruining my commentary. End of the day. Bye. Departing there is 166 112 on the Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway. Apologies for the dirtiness of the video here. We are on the overbridge, which we weren't expecting to be on, but Keane decided to lift bash.
Lift bashing and recording trains.
Departing now is 220 something or other.
It's 221. No, 221 off the Manchester Piccadilly.
Departing now is cross country class 221 Voyager to Manchester Piccadilly, which we are just about going to see. It is on a cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly. Service is formed of, this is the 1540 cross country service to Manchester Piccadilly, formed of 221 130. And also arriving in is 220-021 on the cross country service to Reading. That is the 1540 to Reading. And we'll see that one when it departs. Passing now is 168 106 on 1543 Chiltern Railway Service, London Marylebone via Vista Village. Must admit that's making quite a nice sound as it departs there, passing 2 165s in Oxford carriage sidings. Departing now is 165 136 on an ECS to Oxford carriage sidings.
Great Western Railway service to London Paddington is delayed. This is due to a fault on this train.
Arriving now is the 1548 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to here. This train is terminating. It is formed of 800 809 John Charles 2 Gigante Duono, whatever it is. Excuse my hideous pronunciation of that name, but it is an 800 809. Sorry, it's not an 800-8, there's no such thing. 800 009. Pigeon! Eight 2 2 005. Oh, that was such a good roast. And also departing is 800 009 on an ECS to Oxford carriage sidings. This train has previously formed a service from London Paddington to Oxford. Sir Gareth Edwards. Now we've also just heard one of these services we were meant to be seeing today has been cancelled due to a fault on board the train.
IET as well, what a shame.
It's a IET as well, so it's not looking good. Over now is a terminating Chiltern Railway service from London Marylebone, formed of 168329 and we'll find out what the reading is in a moment. let's go and have a look. The unit is 168218. Arriving now is the 1612 cross-country service to Newcastle, form of 220031. And that platform is 165136 on the 1607 Great Western Railway service to Didcot Parkway. We'll see them both when they depart. That is 168329 on a Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone via Bicester Village. Also arriving in is 220014 on the 1611 cross-country service to Bournemouth. Also departing on the 1611 cross-country service to Newcastle is a 220. I can't remember the name of it, number of it, but we'll see it when it goes out. That is 220031. And arriving in is 165112 on the 1617 Great Western Railway service to Banbury from Didcot Parkway, calling at Tackley, Hayford, King Sutton and Banbury. I hope I pronounced them right.
No, you got it right. It's just the way you're reading it off there. You're just full on reading it. I don't know otherwise.
Is it a 165 or a 166?
165, 162.
So why is it oh, it's a free coach 165.
Yeah, it's free coach 165.
On platform 3 is the 1616 cross-country service to Bournemouth.
That's from Manchester to
Formed of, I can't remember the number,
220014.
220014, and about to depart on platform 4. Nope, not about to depart, ignore me. Right, about to depart on platform 3 is the 1616 cross-country service to Bournemouth, formed of 220023. Is it 23 or 24?
014.
014, sorry. So 220014 on a cross-country service to Bournemouth.
That service called at Reading, Basingstoke, Southampton Central, Crockley House and Bournemouth. Not calling it Winchester or Southampton.
And now departing from platform 4 is the 1617 Great Western Railway service to Banbury, formed of 165112. This train will be calling at Tackley, Hayford, King Sutton and Banbury. Arriving now is 1625 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern, formed of 166208. So see that train as it departs. Listening. Oh, I'm recording. I was recording that, damn it. So here's a rare clip of me rehearsing the calling points for this train because I have no idea what they are. Right, this train is calling Hamborough, Charlbury, Charlbury, Kingham, Moreton in Marsh, Honeybourne, Evesham, Pershore, Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcester Foregate Street, Malvern Link and Great Malvern. This train has 3 coaches.
And should not be on this service.
Shut up, Kieran. You are irrelevant.
I know, right? That's why I'm KTV videos. I'm more relevant than you'll ever be.
Oh, roasted. Arriving now is 168328 on a Chiltern Railway service terminating here from London Marylebone. Also departing is 166208 on the 1625 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. Service calling up Halborough. Oh my god! Right, departing now on the 1625 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern is 16628 calling Halborough. I've forgotten the calling points already! Yay! Departing now is 16628 on the 1625 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. Calling at Hamborough, Charlbury, Kingham, Moreton in Marsh, Honeybourne, Evesham, Pershore, Worcester Foregate. Oh, I said it again! Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcester Foregate Street, Malvern Link, and Great Malvern. The amount of outtakes on this video is going to be amazing.
Oh, where's that one? I should do the outro in just a second. Also, just quickly change over the battery pack just last bit.
Haha, Kieran's running out of batteries. Oh god, I am as well. Hello and welcome to the latest video from Life Transport Videos. Today we're at Oxford, joined by KTV Videos, Keen Trains, Roscoe Train 107. Hello guys and welcome to the latest video from Irish Transport Videos. Today we are at Oxford. Today we'll be seeing services from Chiltern Railway and Great Western Railway. We will be joined by KTV Videos, Roscoe Train 107 and Keen Trains. Without further ado, let's get on with this video. Oh, and cross country. Again, I forgot. So, now coming in is a Great Western Railway IET service terminating in from London Paddington. Also coming in is 800 301, 031, terminating on an ECS, which is going to London Paddington.
802
And now coming in is 802 005, terminating from London Paddington as previously said.
Okay, here goes 802 005 with the ECS to Oxford carriage sidings.
Departing now is 802 005 on an ECS to Oxford carriage sidings. So it's like a Voyager.
that'll be in there for good.
And the train which came in on that platform is the 1501 to London Paddington,
So that should be in the siding. for us to
formed
do that
of the
right.
previously mentioned 800
031.
031. Departing there was 800 301 on the 1501 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Service now calls at Reading, Slough and London Paddington. Right, so thank you all for watching this great... Oh my god! Right, thank you all for watching this video from Oxford. Joining me today was Katie Video, Jake Barrow, Roscoe Train 107, and Keen Trains, who has gone back home on his Voyager. Yeah, so that's all my videos filmed for today. I hope you enjoyed my commentary in this video. Right, so I all hope you enjoyed this video from Oxford. Joining me today was KTV Videos, Jake Barrow, Roscoe Train 107 and Keen Trains. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This was my first video with commentary in it. I had a lot of outtakes in this video, which will be released in another video. Overall today was a great day of filming. Lots of snow around, as you can see. Very cold, but the snow makes for good scenery. I nearly slipped over then. Yeah, the snow makes for good scenery when filming trains. There is now, whatever that is, a plane or something. Yes, it's a plane. Cessna 172. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video from Oxford. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. I don't know what to say. Yeah.